Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Shubham Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss the opportunity in the UI UX domain. Which company is providing this opportunity, where to apply, how to apply, who are eligible. All the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that without watching this video, don't go anywhere because this is one of the best opportunity I can tell, and it is paid internship, so you will be getting stipend for your work. Also, before accepting any offer letter, please go thoroughly through the offer letter, then only accept the offer, because many times students are facing issue at the time of internship certificate. So make sure that whichever offer letter you are accepting, you must go with terms and condition. For more information, you can contact our team. We are happy to assist you. Let's talk about today's video. So this opportunity is provided by one good company. So I will be forwarding to my laptop screen, where I will be sharing the live screen, and all the doubts will be clarified with my team. All the contact details of the my team are given in description, so make sure that after watching this video you can contact on their number, and all the queries will be sorted by our team. So without wasting further time, let's go to our laptop screen and grab the opportunity. Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the EduPath with Shubham Shah blog, where we have to seek the opportunity in the UI UX design domain. The firstly, the company which is providing opportunity is Enalo. Enalo company is providing the opportunity for the designation of the UI UX intern. So let's talk about the stipend. So if you got selected, then you may expect the 15,000 rupees per month stipend. Also, the duration of this internship is very good. It is 6 months, so you will be getting very good experience along with the approximate 90,000 rupees stipend for 6 months. The mode of working will be 7 to 8 hours per day, and if you got selected, then you will be joining immediately on the prior basis. And openings are two. So if you are genuinely interested for this position, then you can definitely apply after watching this video. I am repeating again and again, after watching this video you can visit my this video description. All the necessary links are provided, so you can apply it. Office location is remote, as I have told in the video introduction that it is totally 100% work from home. So you can definitely grab this opportunity. The year of graduation which the students can apply 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025 respectively. So any of these students, any of the batch students are eligible. Now let's talk about the skills which are mandatory for this position. So first of all, the interns will be knowing knowledge about the wireframing, prototyping, and user story. Also, he or she should be good in UX design, Photoshop, and Canva respectively. Skills which are optional are Adobe XD, Illustrator, product design, and user research. So let's talk about the job description. So as a UI UX intern, you will be work closely with the product and design team, where you will be responsible for the range of tasks including user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. You will be having the unique opportunity to learn from the experienced professional who will be providing mentorship and guidance throughout the internship. So the internship not only for this company but any of the company who is providing the opportunity as an in the internship domain. So you must grab it, because here you will be getting professional training from the experienced working professional and team. So it will be a total win-win situation from you. Also, many of the companies are providing very good stipend. Some of them are also unpaid. I know that unpaid is not good from the student, but if you are kick-starting your career by unpaid or very minimum stipend, then it will be definitely the experience and knowledge which will you be gaining by doing this internship will be definitely helping you. So the one condition is the intern must have 6 months of internship experience prior. So responsibility. So assist in the research, design, and prototyping of user interface and experience. Conduct user research and develop personal user stories and user flow. Create wireframes, mockups, and prototypes to effectively communicate design idea. The intern have to collaborate with the cross-functional team, because you know that in any of the good company there are multiple teams in different domains like marketing, business development, tech team, finance team, and etc. The interns will be participating in the unusability testing and incorporate feedback into design iteration. The intern have to support the team with general tasks as needed. They contribute to the creative creation of design documentation and style guide requirement. So it is totally depend upon the requirement of the client and the project which you are undergoing. The interns are also having basic understanding of UI UX design principle and practice, should have good knowledge of design tools such as Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD. If you know one or two them perfectly, then you can also go to go. You should have excellent written and verbal communication skill, which is must needed in today's market. You should have ability to work independent as a part of team. For example, initially if there are two interns as per this opening, so currently if you got selected only one, so you should be capable that if you are single-handed, then also you will be you should have good to go for the work. Knowledge of web and mobile design best practice is a plus. So if you work in the mobile and application, mobile app and website development domain, so it is a plus for you. If you are having experience with user research methodologies and usability, is testing is also a plus. So let's talk about the hiring process. So firstly, after submitting the application, you will be going through preliminary round interview. After that, you will be allotted with the design case study. Then if you got shortlisted in this round, then you will be having interview with the designer and final call with the founder, who is the founder of the company. After that, you will be carrying, if you got selected, then you all the process will be carried out from that. So if you are interested, then you can click apply now button. The link is visible, so you can directly and working properly, so you can directly watch the, after watching this video you can directly visit my blog and you can apply it for free, because this internship does not have any application fee, so you can apply it for free. So in case you are stuck at any point, or you got any query or question or doubt related to the application process, you can contact our team. Our team details are providing in the description. Also I have provided a WhatsApp number for the team, so you can directly chat with them, and in case needed, then you can connect one to one with me. All the important link along with this application link is provided in video description, so make sure that after watching this video you are visiting. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will be seeing you in the next video with another opportunity soon. Thank you, take care, and bye.